Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, do ants attack apple trees? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants problem can be annoying because once ants enter anywhere in your apple tree, they leave a trail of pheromones which make other ants follow. Ants can damage apple trees because they come in search of rotten apples and honeydew produced by aphids. They do not directly attack the apple tree, but they can destroy it while protecting the aphids. It is better to protect your tree from aphids by removing them with the help of insecticidal. Regularly inspect your tree for any signs of ants and aphids. Throw away any damaged apple which is still on the tree or dropped anywhere near the tree because the rotten apples attract more ants. Once the ants make a nest in your tree, it can be challenging for you and the survival of your apple tree. They are opportunistic feeders which eat every kind of food because their feeding criteria are vast. They eat anything including the parts of dead animals, dead insects, grains and sweet fruits. They prefer protein-rich foods for their nourishment, therefore they need a diet containing carbohydrates, fats and proteins in different quantities. Honeydew is another reason behind the attack of ants on trees because this sweet sticky liquid attracts ants. It is produced by aphids, which are sap-sucking insects and attack trees, including apple tree. Aphids attack the phloem sap of the tree, which contains sugars like raffinase, disaccharides and oligosaccharides. They intake these sugars and excrete them out through the anus, resulting in honeydew production. Honeydew is an obvious sign that ensures their presence on the tree. In addition, aphids can cause damage to trees because it penetrates the poisonous saliva in foliage. They not only eat the sugary liquid waste produced by aphids, but also protect the aphids from predators, which prey on them. Aphids secrete this liquid to attract, and ants give protection to them in return. They not only protect the aphids but also help in increasing their production like forming. They take good care of aphids by carrying them on the place of new food source when they are hungry. In protecting them, ants can kill and destroy the eggs of ladybugs which prey on aphids. They can also come after the sweet smell of open, damaged and rotten fruits. They have 4 to 5 times more odoreceptors on their antenna, which makes it easier for them to find food faster. They instantly spot rotten fruit because the smell of the juice of apples is attracted to ants. Sometimes other insects and birds pick on fresh apples on the trees, which becomes a big reason for ants to attack a tree. Here are easy methods to remove and get rid of ants from apple trees. Insecticidal soaps are used to kill insects like aphids, which causes the ants to infest the apple trees. It is made by reacting potassium hydroxide with fatty acids, which helps kill insects and cause less damage to the tree. This soap works like a poison to insects once it meets them. Use freshly made solutions because they can be more effective than the old solution. Spray it only when you see insects and avoid spraying on new buds and leaves. Wet all the surfaces where the foliage of the tree is damaged. Boiling water is also an easy and helpful method of removing ants. Boil water and throw it over the group of ants and inside their nest, which they have made in the apple tree. This can kill the insects instantly. The sticky material works as ant bait because they will stick to this material whenever they pass by it. Mix borax with any sweet liquid or syrup and apply it on the base of the trunk, which attracts the ant to get them trapped on this material. Regular trimming can also save you from the trouble of insects on plants. Inspect your tree thoroughly for the presence of aphids. If you see too many ants on the tree, then trim those branches to avoid their contact with other branches. Tatamaceous powder is a white or off-white powder that is the remains of some marine algae. It works like a sharp blade on an ant's body as it gets into the joints of ants. This powder should be used only when the area is dry and there is no water to make it wet. Cover your face while sprinkling this powder over the insects because this powder can be harmful to your lungs. Peppermint oil is also an excellent way of getting rid of ants from apple trees because they cannot withstand the smell of this essential oil. You can make the solution of this and water by adding 30 drops of peppermint oil to a gallon of water. Spray this solution for their infestation and whenever you see insects on trees. This solution will inhibit the ants from coming to the trees anymore. Thanks for watching the video.